Good afternoon. Uh, this is a very important press briefing. Uh, this, this is in connection with very objectionable video clip posted by one Paras Singh from Ludhiana. For your information, our cyber team was already monitoring and we are taking up case show moto. In the meantime, around 10 complaints had already come. So this kind of cases, only cyber crime cell takes up the case. So request was made to the Honorable MLA, who had agreed to submit written FIR. Accordingly, we registered a case under 124A, 153A, and 5052. This is a sedition, creating enmity between the groups. So once the case was registered, तो हमने आगे की कार्रवाई शुरू करा. आगे की कार्रवाई में we had contacted the Commissioner of Police Ludhiana, Sri Rakesh Agarwal, and under his direction, Joint Commissioner Deepak Parikh was working on the ground, and there was a constant effort from their side to put up aggressive surveillance on the person. So I would like to put on record our gratefulness and thanks to the Ludhiana police. And we here in police headquarters started monitoring his social media. In that we found out his Insta account, and then Gmail ID, then one connected phone number, and YouTube channel, and Facebook PUBG page. We couldn't because he was on the run, so, and there was no proper accurate address given to us, but then we got a lead from Ludhiana Municipal Corporation. On 2nd April, he had applied for a license for dog. In that license, no address was again given. It was kind of a code. It read 1049.7.141003. First four digit indicate house number 1049. Second 7 is gully number, and 41003, that's the PIN code. So then we could locate his house, and then aggressive surveillance was put around his thrown around his home. But yesterday he didn't come to his residence, and then we withdrew the team. And this morning we again the Punjab police, Ludhiana police, they conducted aggressive surveillance. Then through a source, he was sighted somewhere in that area only, and he was detained. He has been detained. Paras Singh has been detained in Ludhiana, and he is under custody now. And that's the situation as of now. Now the SIT team is already in Guwahati. अभी घंटा भर में दिल्ली के लिए रवाना होगा. So tomorrow morning, tomorrow they will be reaching Ludhiana, and प्रोसेस साथ साथ होगा उधर. प्रोडक्शन भी होएगा एंड ट्रांजिट रिमांड भी होगा एंड he is being Paras Singh is being brought to Arunachal Pradesh. Any question?
Three people, sir, led by one inspector.
एक इंस्पेक्टर
The SIT team consists of 3 members and it is led by Inspector Techi Vijay around with 2 lower subordinates. Thank you, sir.
अजीज साहब बहुत सोशल मीडिया में जैसे कि वो जो लड़का था पारस सिंह भंडी, जैसे उसने एंटी नेशनल, वी थॉट इट इज एन एंटी नेशनल बिकॉज सिंस अरुणाचल इज इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश इंडिया, और हम लोग भी भारतीय हैं जितना वो लोग पंजाब का, राजस्थान का, गुजरात के लोग हैं। तो हम ये जानना चाहते थे कि ऐसा कितना केस हमारा पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर में क्राइम ब्रांच में रजिस्टर हुआ, और आज तक कल जैसे आप लोगों ने कितना फुर्ती से किया, जो काबिलियत तारीफ है। पूरा अरुणाचल आज अरुणाचल प्रदेश पुलिस को तारीफ कर रहा है। तो ऐसा कितना केस है जो अभी तक आप लोगों ने उसमें कोई ब्रेक थ्रू नहीं किया?
इसके मैं I don't have the record as of now. I can come back.
May I, sir, इसको comment करूं? So this sir on sir's behalf, sir, because sir obviously will not be having all the records with him right now. I'm the head of SIT, so I can answer this. We have one more incident. We have registered a sedition case, 124A, in anti-national speeches. That was in Vijayanagar, and we made a big breakthrough in that also. So we have arrested the accused in that case also. So there is no case in SIT or crime branch in the PSQ in which anti-national comments have been made and arrests have not been made. There is no case as such.
Sir, as you have mentioned that so-called Paras is to be moved to Arunachal Pradesh, so can we know about that particular date when is he expected to be here?
Look, this again it depends on the. We tomorrow, after taking custody of him, we are going to produce him in the court and seek a transit remand. तो transit remand देने के बाद अब देखते हैं कोर्ट क्या कहता है उधर. It depends on the court. So our effort will be to bring him here and face the charge. But what court would do, we have no idea.
सर ऐसा कुछ हमको इनिशियल रिपोर्ट में कुछ पता चला है कि वो माइनर है या फिर एडल्ट है?
Is it major?
No, he is not minor, he is a major. He is 25 years old.
21.
सर बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एनजीओ के या इंडिविजुअल्स की तरफ से उन्हें एफआई किया गया है ना केस में, तो टोटल नंबर कितने लोग गए होंगे, और साथ ही साथ उनके साथ कौन-कौन सा एफआई में कौन-कौन सा एक्ट किया और किसी आईपीसी के अंदर पुलिस को लाएगा, या किस तरह से पुलिस अरुणाचल प्रदेश उनको पुलिस को एक्ट दिया है?
As of now, बहुत लोग ने दिया है. As I said in the beginning, around 10 FIR तो आए हैं. So हमने क्या किया कि वो मतलब instead of registering cases in different police station, since this is the only police station which takes up the cyber crime, so हमने इसको सारा ये को इधर ही क्लब कर रहा है. एक केस बनाया है. So इस पे 124 सेडिशन का है, 153 क्रिएटिंग एनमिटी, और ये 502A, 3 सेक्शंस लगेंगे इसमें.
Any update concerning from
No.
सर एक चीज़ और थोड़ा सा जानना था, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग जैसे कि अभी का आज का डेट में सोशल मीडिया बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है अपना इमीडिएट इंफॉर्मेशन को रखने के लिए, तो उसका काफ़ी मिसयूज हो रहा है, खास करके अननेसेसरी कमेंट्स, किसी का ऊपर में बदनाम करने का, किसी का रेपुटेशन को ड्राइव्स करने का. तो कितना खतरनाक है सर ये सोशल मीडिया का मिसयूज करना?
This is a very valid point that is being raised here. Yes, social media is being used for all kinds of positive activities. Even in COVID times, we've seen social media is used as a tool for outreach by different organizations and people for providing help, for providing assistance, for asking for help, and for asking for supplies, material supplies. But yes, there is a flip side to it also. There are lots of frauds that have come into our notice with regards to social media. So yes, there are policies that are in place to prevent these kind of frauds, but ultimately it is the awareness that needs to be spread among people, that people should not fall prey to such frauds that are created on social media. Obviously, the police is there. If they want to report anything, our cyber police station is here. If they want to report anything regarding this, we are very much here to register cases on those complaints. But ultimately, the public has to be aware that there are no free lunches in this world. If they promise something, if somebody is promising something on social media which seems to be out of the world, then most probably it is fake. So we need to be aware of that also. Thank you, sir.
Sir, like you have mentioned that the person in question will be sent to the court. Like, if we can know that, like, how long it is expected to, like, to meet up with all the court proceedings.
See, I can tell you, tomorrow we'll take custody and then simultaneously, as I said, we'll produce him in the court and seek transit remand. So after obtaining transit, around 5 days, we'll take 5 days transit remand, because coming back, there will be a problem. If we travel by train, by road, it's going to be little more challenging. At the same time, bringing him by air is also not less challenging. There are protocols to bring travel of criminals in the air. So that we are looking into it, and if things goes well, as per plan, in 5 days' time, he should be here.
Within this 5 days is very much.
In 5 days' time, he should be here. That can take less than also. So I'm taking the maximum.
Public message क्योंकि बार-बार public demand कर रहे थे.
पब्लिक के लिए ये मैसेज है कि देयर आर ऑल्सो काउंटर काइंड ऑफ व्हाट्सएप में कुछ वीडियो में लिटिल बिट ऑफ ऑफेंसिव टाइप का चल रहा है. दैट शुड नॉट take place. That should people should not resort to this kind of activity. They are also liable to be registered under appropriate section of law, and kabhi hum usko will not back down in registering case against these people who are trying to threaten the other guys also. ये भी हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे. Will equally take appropriate action.
Thank you.